Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from Sensationnel. She is in the Dashley collection. The style is unit 20 and she is in the color 1B. In the end, if you end up liking this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. So if you would like to stick around for more hair review videos, make sure you are pressing that subscribe button and also that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. This video is a very short video. I know the girlies on Instagram and TikTok are like, where's the video? Where's the video? Where's the tutorial? Baby, I got y'all. I got y'all. She is definitely a unit that you have to work. You have to work her. Okay, you have to manipulate, run your fingers through her. You can't just wear her straight out the pack. I did go in and cut her a little bit, but I didn't do too much cutting, but I did a lot of fluffing. 99% of this video is going to be me running my fingers through this wig or cutting her up. Yeah, the stock card. The stock card was giving. Like, don't get me wrong, the stock card was giving, but you definitely have to do a lot of manipulation. There's no special technique I did. All I did was just kept manipulating her through my fingers. Obviously, this does kind of, break down the wear of the hair as far as like flyaways and things of that nature when your wig is about to get old. But I feel like the more I manipulated it and the more frizz it got, the more natural, in a sense, it kind of looked to me. If I could describe the texture of this unit, she wasn't silky and she did have like a yaki feel to her. Again, I had to keep on looking at that stock card like, is this it? But I feel like once you kind of put your face together, put a cute outfit on with this unit, you can definitely enjoy this unit. Now, would this be an everyday unit for me? No. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have to put on a face for this unit for it to make sense for me, in my opinion, for me. Overall, I really did like this unit. I love how she was able to conform once I manipulated her. Like I told y'all, 99% of this video was me puffing and fluffing her out. I love how this hair comes in multiple colors, so you don't have to worry about just sticking to one natural color. I didn't mind the frizz. I didn't mind, the wig getting bigger because I feel like frizzier she got, and the bigger she got, the more natural she kind of looked on my end. The only con was, you know, just having to do all of this. Like, it's not that deep. That would be a con for you. I could say that would be a con, but honestly, I didn't have any cons with her. I still rock this unit. I love how she is a full cap. I love the construction of the unit. Even though she is a full cap, she still comes with combs for more stability, because, you know, usually full cap units rarely have combs, which is really strange to me, but TikTok got it right this time, y'all. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I'll definitely see y'all in the next video.